So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba i-enable ang fingerprint scan login sa ating PayPal account. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once you learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So yan guys, i-open lang natin ang ating PayPal app or yung ating PayPal account. Then, pagka-open guys, mula dito sa homepage, itap nyo lang yung inyong profile picture na nandito sa upper left corner. So, para mapunta tayo sa profile settings. And then, dito naman sa profile, itap nyo lang yung login and security. So, pagka-tap ng login and security, ganito yung lalabas. So, hanapin nyo lang guys dito yung fingerprint scan. And kung makikita nyo merong switch button sa right side niya, ang gagawin nyo lang para ma-enable is itap nyo yung switch button. Sa magkaroon ng check mark. Then, para ma-continue and ma-verify, i-enter lang natin yung password ng ating PayPal. And then, tap natin yung continue. So, ayan guys, fingerprint scan added. So, ibig sabihin, naka-enable na yung fingerprint scan natin kada magla-login tayo or mag-open tayo ng ating PayPal app. So, ayun lang guys, gano'n lang kasimple kung paano nga ba enable ang fingerprint scan sa ating PayPal account. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!